This picnic table is on top of Valencia Peak, a gorgeous mountain that took me 2 days to climb. Because the first time I set out to climb all 1,300 plus feet, I started a little too late and I didn't eat enough. So I found myself very hot and hungry and super tired only about halfway up. So I trudged back and went back the next morning, which actually turned out to be for the best, because the first day I tried was a Sunday and the trail was very crowded. But when I came back early on a Monday, I pretty much had the trail to myself, except for some deer.
Good morning. Don't hurt yourselves. Oh, there's 3 of you.
And lovely butterflies. And the birds. And all the lovely flowers full of bees. And this time, despite some pretty scary, really narrow sections,
Yikes! Holy crap. No guardrails.
I made it to the top. But I didn't stop at this sign, because a little further up on top of this rock is my new favorite picnic table.
All right, now that is the picnic table with the best view in California.